Right now in this video, I'll be showing you the Bitcoin.org. But as it says Bitcoin Core, this is part of Bitcoin Core. I'm going to show you the running a full node on the Bitcoin Core website. You can download it by clicking this link that says download. On this page you will see some questions. What is a full node? A full node is a program that fully validates transactions and blocks. Almost all full nodes also help the network by accepting transactions and blocks from other full nodes, validating those transactions and blocks, and then relaying them to further full nodes. You can also read more right here. Here are some pictures that you can follow. These are steps to install Bitcoin Core or some other Bitcoin transactions. On the sidebar you can see that there are some contents like Mac OS, upgrading Bitcoin Core. These can help you. First you have to click these arrows and then find your subject or topic you are looking for. So I'm going to end the video right here. To find more information, you can visit the Weezcoin website. There are over 150 pages that you can read. Thanks for watching, and I hope you learned the Bitcoin.org running a full node.